Hello, Mr. Water Monitor. How are you doing today? Good afternoon. I'm at the Saladaeng BTS Station and I was just doing some Christmas shopping, and then I realized that I rarely shoot anything in the Si Lom area. So I thought this is a nice opportunity to give you guys a peek in a different area than Sukhumvit, where I normally hang out. And today I'm going to show you how to walk to Lumphini Park through the sky bridge here, and also how to connect with the Si Lom MRT station. Yeah, so this sky bridge connects the BTS and the MRT. Yeah, and then I will give you guys a little look in the Lumphini Park. The other day I made a video how to walk from Benjakiti Park to Lumpinee, but I never went into the park. So today I'm gonna go into Lumpinee, and I think Lumphini Park is probably, yeah, the most famous park for sure in Bangkok, and also probably the nicest. And I remember that the first time that we came to Bangkok, we went to Lumpinee and we were really amazed. So this is Si Lom Soi 1. Yeah, it's 10 minutes past 4 on a Friday afternoon. So a lot of people are coming. Well, actually not yet. Work is not really finished, but the day is nearing its end. Yeah, Si Lom is more kind of a business district if you compare it with Sukhumvit. I think Sukhumvit is more residential. So yeah, many people work in offices in this area, and there's quite a few bars where they have their Friday evening drink. Okay. Here a construction update. Here used to be the Dusit Hotel, and they tore it down completely and they're making a new hotel, a new building. So, and here you have the Thai-Japanese bridge, and there in the back is the Lumphini Park. So let's go there. I think I'm gonna walk through the MRT station to give you a peek. Yeah, the skies are very beautiful now. It's been a very nice day today. It's not too warm, not too humid. And this morning I drove to the green BTS line. You know what? I'm gonna cross here. Just go straight to the park. I have the green light, but let's see if I can force myself. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so here in front you have the entrance to the park, but unfortunately due to COVID, it's not one of the main entrances anymore. Let's go. Should have one of those. Yeah, so there is the exit from the MRT. So where you just saw me coming down the stairs, there you can go into the MRT. So basically the MRT station is the one closest to the Lumphini Park. I see people walking in that direction, so I do think the main entrance of Lumphini Park is still open. So let me have a check, because that would be nice. So this street in front here, this is Param Si or Rama 4, and it's one of the main arteries in Bangkok. Well, let's check out if this if we can enter the park from here. That would be nice, because also from here I can get a very nice shot of the statue of the king and the BTS that will pass by in the back. Yeah, this is a nice shot. I love it. You see, there come the BTS. I'm not sure which king this is, so maybe somebody can help me in the description. If it's Rama 4, based on the road I would suggest Rama 4, but you never know. So here we're getting into the park, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cruise through the park and see if we can spot a monitor lizard. Actually, last week somebody was asking me, can you please go and have a look at the park? And the thing is that now I'm getting into this point that I am redoing my videos, but there is different reasons why I can actually do it, because some of the videos I made before when I was not speaking. Sawadee krap. Kokuma krap. Yeah, so what I said, some of the videos I was making before I was talking, so when I was still a baby tuber, and then all of a sudden, look who's talking now, I started. So yeah, I mean, I think I never made a video in Lumphini Park while blabbling. So, and I think the last time I was here, I was on a bicycle. So here you have the whole round, and it's really cool to do a run, especially at sunset. A lot of people do that, and around 6 o'clock you have the dance. You know, there's some music, and so you have like a 2.5 kilometer run, which it's about a little bit over 2 miles. Yeah, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go straight through here, walk towards Witayu or Wireless Road. I'm not gonna do the whole circle. And I'm walking nicely in the sun, which normally I wouldn't really do because it's too hot, but today it's actually quite comfortable. Today it's quite comfortable. yeah, I want to show you guys a water monitor, and mostly it's not too difficult to find one. So this lake here is full with water monitor lizards and turtles. Yeah, this is a lovely park. I mean, we don't come here often enough. But yeah, it's an oasis in the middle of the center, in the middle of the city center here. Yeah, and I love the views that you have from here. Also, if you look at the buildings that are around here. And of course, I mean, if you have an apartment in one of those buildings here, it's very expensive because you have the view of the park. So here in front here, this is all the Sintorn area with the Kimpton My Lai, Kempinski Hotel, and then here to the left you have the 185 Rajdamri, and there in the back the Magnolias. But where's me water monitor? Maybe the water monitor lizards are having a break. There seems to be something going on here, so it's always when I'm on the go I can just have a quick look. So this is the area where here in front a lot of people do exercise in the afternoon. So normally around 6 o'clock somebody comes here with music, and you have like a master of ceremony, an MC. Timeless of giving.
ในขณะที่กล้องออกไปให้ยืนยิ้มเหมือนเดิมนะคะอย่าหลุดนะเข้ากล้องหมดเลยนะคะยกมือ
ครับ สวัสดีครับ
ยกมือครับสวัสดีโอเคสวยค่ะ
สวยมากๆนะครับ
ขอกลับมาที่คู่
So it looks, this is something from the Red Cross, I think, and I think they're doing a promotional thing. But I can imagine that they're happy to get in again, because to get all dressed up and stand in the sun, it's quite strong. Ah, there is a Red Cross bus coming in. Yeah, this is one of the negative things, not being able to read Thai, because in that way I miss a lot of information. This is the Japanese Association in Thailand and the Red Cross. So I guess there is somebody important from the Red Cross coming. But I still did not find a water monitor. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it one more shot over there, because in this area here I always see water monitor lizards, so because it's a little bit more hidden away. Yeah, and here is a, I think I was just saying the other day they look like storches, but I think it's a crane. If there's any bird spotter, they might help me out. Is this a crane? Oh, I got a nice shot from here. Welcome to the National Geographic. Okay, but I am looking for a water monitor, no crane. There he is. This is a big one. Hello, Mr. Water Monitor. How are you doing today? Yeah, it's always funny. The other day somebody was asking, why are you always so interested in water monitors and snakes? And as I am from Holland and basically in Europe, we don't have pythons and we don't have this kind of water monitor lizard, so for us this is very special. So I still, well, water monitors do not excite me as much as a snake, to be honest. Even a dead snake can excite me, you know that. Oh. And there we have a squirrel. Wow. Hello, squirrel. So I'm going full circle through the animal kingdom. Let's put the pigeons in there as well. Hello, pigeons, you guys are now becoming famous. Okay, so yeah, I am going to walk home. I just wanted to show you guys how to walk from the Saladaeng BTS and the Si Lom MRT station to Lumphini Park, just to show you how easy that is. And it is obviously super easy. So I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video.